Question number 7, exercise 2.5. Z1, Z2, Z3 are three complex numbers such that the modulus of Z1 is 1 and modulus value of Z2 is 2 and modulus value of Z3 is 3 are given, and total sum of the modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to 1 also given. To show that modulus of 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z3 equal to 6 is a given question. Now, given modulus Z1, modulus Z2, modulus Z3 values, we have formula modulus of Z square equal to Z bar. So, use of that result, modulus of Z1 equal to 1, which implies modulus of Z1 square equal to 1. It can be rewritten as Z1 bar equal to 1. From this we can derive one result, Z1 equal to 1 by Z1 bar. Similarly, Z2 equal to, modulus of Z2 square equal to 4, which implies Z2 bar equal to 4, which implies Z2 equal to 4 by Z2 bar. And similarly, modulus of Z3 square equal to 9, which implies Z3 bar equal to 9, which implies Z3 equal to 9 by Z3 bar. So there are three results we got derived in it, and substituting these values in the result of modulus Z1 modulus Z2, sorry, in the result of 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z3, we have now this modulus of 9 Z1 Z2, 4 Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z3 will be equal to, here taking out Z1 Z2 Z3 common from these three terms, modulus of Z1 Z2 Z3 into, here no Z3, so it divides 9, so 9 by Z3 plus here 4 by Z2 and Z2 is missing, plus here Z1 is not present, so 1 by Z1. So removing Z1, Z2, Z3 as common here, this thing will happen, 9 by Z3 plus 4 by Z2 plus 1 by Z1. Here separating the modulus value, which implies now 9 by Z3 is equal to 9 by Z3 equal 9 by Z3. Now look here, we can separate the modulus and then 9 by Z3 equal to, interchanging these two values, 9 by Z3 equal to Z3 bar, and interchanging these two, 4 by Z2 equal to Z2 bar, and 1 by Z1 bar equal to 1 by Z1 equal to Z1 bar. So these three are changed as modulus of Z1, Z2, Z3 into 9 by Z3, 9 by Z3 equal to Z3 bar, this is Z3 bar, plus 4 by Z2, 4 by Z2 equal to Z2 bar, and plus 1 by Z1 equal to Z1 bar, Z1 bar. Now we have, which is equal to, separating the modulus, modulus of Z1, modulus of Z2, modulus of Z3 into modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3, Z1 bar, Z2 bar, Z3 bar. This can simplify as modulus Z1, modulus Z2, modulus Z3 into Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 whole bar. Here we have the values of modulus Z1 is 1 and modulus Z is 2, modulus Z3 is 3 into the modulus of Z bar equal to modulus Z. So modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 whole bar equal to modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. So here the value is 1, which will be equal to 6. So modulus of 9 into Z1 Z2 plus 4 into Z1 Z3 plus 4 Z2 Z3 will be equal to 6. This is very simple thing. From the given information, we can calculate the value of Z1, Z2, Z3. From this, we can calculate Z1 bar equal to 1 by Z1 and Z2 bar equal to 4 by Z2, Z3 bar equal to 9 by Z3. Substituting the values of 9 by Z3, 4 by Z2, 1 by Z1 equal values, we will get Z3 bar, Z2 bar, Z1 bar. Then separating the modulus value, then simplifying this Z1 bar, Z2 bar, Z3 bar plus equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 whole bar. Then now modulus of Z bar equal to modulus of Z. So modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 bar equal to modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. These two are equal values. So substituting for 1, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 whole bar, and then modulus of Z1 plus Z2 Z3 are given 1, 2, 3, and substituting multiplying will get the value as 6. Given question number 8, given area of the triangle formed by the complex numbers Z, IZ, Z plus IZ as vertices of a triangle is 50, then find the modulus of Z. Here, look at here. This is an organ plane. Now Z is taken here, then IZ is here. So both form a 90 degree. Then Z plus IZ is here, somewhere Z plus IZ. Because Z plus IZ all form a parallelogram with the origin, this 0, 0. Now this is 90 degree, opposite also will get 90 degree. And then this is a parallelogram, so opposites are equal. Now here the points vertices Z, IZ and Z plus IZ forms a right angle triangle. So we can use the area of triangle, area of right angle triangle. So area of triangle equal to half base into height, half base into height, and then taking one complex number as base, another one as height. The given area is 50, so 50 equal to 1 by 2 into length means we should take modulus. So modulus of Z, then modulus of IZ is a modulus Z. So simplify, cross multiply this, 100 equal to modulus of Z square, which implies modulus of Z equal to 10. Question number 9. Show that the equation ZQ plus 2Z bar equal to 0 have 5 solutions. The power is 3, but we should show that there are 5 solutions will exist for this equation ZQ plus 2Z bar equal to 0. Now the answer is given ZQ plus 2Z bar equal to 0. Now bring it to the right side. Z cube equal to minus 2 into Z bar. Now taking modulus on both sides, modulus of Z cube equal to modulus of minus 2 into Z bar. Now separating the modulus here, modulus Z whole cube equal to, we can write it as modulus Z whole cube. Here modulus of minus 2 is 2 and modulus of Z bar equal to modulus Z, we have property, so 2 into modulus Z. Now bring it to the left side. Modulus of Z cube minus 2 into modulus of Z equal to 0. Now taking modulus Z as common, modulus Z into modulus Z square minus 2 equal to 0. Then separating this, modulus Z equal to 0, comma modulus of Z square minus 2 equal to 0. From this we have modulus Z square equal to 2. Now substituting modulus Z square equal to Z bar, we have formula modulus of Z modulus of Z square equal to Z bar. Therefore this implies Z bar equal to 2. This implies Z bar equal to 2. Now here Z bar equal to Z bar equal to 2. Here Z bar equal to 2 by Z. Z bar equal to 2 by Z. Now let it be 1. This equation be taken as 1. Let it be 2. Now substituting 2 in equation 1, we have 1 implies Z cube plus 2 into, instead Z bar substitute 2 by Z, equal to 0. Now multiply by z, z power 4 plus 2 into 2 into z by z equal to 0. Can simplify these two. Now z power 4 plus 4 equal to 0. Now look at the equation here. It has power 4. This means z has 4 solutions. And here we have one more solution. Modulus z equal to 0 implies z equal to 0. And there are 5 solutions we can have for the equation zq plus 2 into z bar equal to 0. Therefore z equal to 0. Modulus z equal to 0. And z power 4 plus 1 plus 4 equal to 0. We will have z equal to 0 and z power 4 plus 4 equal to 0. From these two we can have 5 solutions. Thus the equation has 5 solutions. Thus we have 5 solutions. For this power 4 we have 4 solutions and one other solution from modulus z equal to 0. There are 5 solutions will exist for the equation zq plus 2z bar equal to 0. Question number 10. Find the square root of the complex number 4 plus 3i. We have formula to find the square root of a complex number, root of a plus ib. A plus ib is nothing but a complex number. It is real part, this is imaginary part. B is imaginary part, a is real part. I represents the imaginary part, but b is the only imaginary part value. To calculate a root of a plus ib, square root of the complex number a plus ib, we can use this formula. For real part, square root of modulus z plus a divided by 2. Modulus z plus real part divided by 2 plus I into imaginary part divided by modulus of imaginary part into root of modulus z minus real part divided by 2. Here we need the real and imaginary part and modulus value. So given z equal to 4 plus 3 as a first subdivision. So here modulus of z equal to root of 4 square plus 3 square, that is equal to root of 16 plus 9 equal to 25, root 25 equal to 5. So modulus of z is 5 here and a is the real part 4 and b is the imaginary part 3. Now substituting here, root of 4 plus 3i equal to modulus z, root square root of modulus z is 5 plus a is real part 4 divided by 2 plus I into b by b equal to 3 divided by modulus b is also 3 and root of modulus z 5 minus a minus 4 divided by 2. Can cancel these two and here 5 plus 4 9, so 3 by root 2, here 1 by root 2, that is equal to root of root of 4 plus 3a equal to simplifying this 9 root 9 by 2, that is equal to 3 by root 2, 3 by root 2 plus I into 5 minus 4 1, so 1 by root 2. Here we have got the result. So when taking square root it will be plus or minus. So in the formula itself adding here plus or minus. So it is equal to plus or minus 3 root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2. So square root of 4 plus 3 equal to plus or minus 3 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2. Second subdivision minus 6 plus 8i. We should find the square root of this number minus 6 plus 8i. So find modulus z. Modulus of z equal to root of 36 plus 64 equal to root of 100 equal to 10. And then a means real part, a equal to minus 6. And b is imaginary part, b equal to 8. Substituting in this formula, root of minus 6 plus 8i equal to plus or minus root of modulus z is 10 plus a is minus 6, now minus 6 divided by 2 plus I into b by b is 8 divided by modulus b. Modulus b is also 8. Root of modulus z is 10 minus a value is minus 6 plus 6 divided by 2, which is equal to plus or minus. Now 10 minus 6, 4. Root 4 is 2. 2 by 2. 2 by root 2 plus here I into 8 by 8 1. So root of 16 is 4 divided by root 2. Simplifying this, we will get plus or minus 2 by root 2 is equal to root 2. This 2 can split into root 2 into root 2, cancelling. This is root 2 plus I into 4 by root 2. 4 equal to 2 into root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Can simplify on root 2. Remaining is 2 root 2. So the square root of minus 6 plus 8i is plus or minus root 2 plus I into 2 root 2. Similarly, you can complete the third subdivision as minus 5 minus 12i equal to plus or minus 2 minus 3i. Let it be a homework. Root of